Hello, welcome back everybody. I'm finally here ready to do a video for you. I apologise for the wait you've had. I'm feeling quite a lot better now. Thank you for the well wishes. I'm going to run you really quickly through the paints I'll be using. I'm going to do a triptych today. So I've got my paints here. I've got a beautiful coppery red, which I have mixed using Reeves Copper and Crawford and Black's deep red. I have a very deep red here, which I've made darker by adding 2 drops of Daler and Rowney's Violet and 2 drops of Crawford and Black's Burnt Umber. So they've given me my gorgeous shades. I've mixed a cup of white here, which I stirred with a black stick, and that gave me a very slightly grey colour. I have some black. The black is a non-branded acrylic and Ocado fluid acrylic. My white, I'm using pure white, it was Crawford and Black, and to that I've mixed a Wilko's cheap brand of acrylic paint. I've also added a tiny bit of the gold just to make it a slightly cream colour so it's not a stark white. I've got just pure white here and a gunmetal grey, which I've added some Crawford and Black silver to black. I don't have it, I've thrown the bottle away, but it was Crawford and Black silver anyway. So I've deepened that up by adding some of my black. I intend to do negative space pieces with cream at the top, a flip cup drag across the centre and the off grey at the bottom. The only thing I don't want to come from this video is pink, so wish me luck. The recipe that I've mixed these paints up today is 4 parts paint, 2 parts Liquitex pouring medium, 1 part PVA glue and roughly 2 parts water till it's the right consistency. Okay, so I'll be doing my flip cup in these little medicine cups, 1 for each canvas. While I want these to be part of one piece, I'll likely pour a ribbon pour to tie the 3 pieces together if they don't look like they're joining up in the right places. We'll see how we go with it. We'll start by putting a whole lot of cream out. Well, for this I like to use a domino because you can actually hold on to it. It's just a bit of wood that's a wider width than a lollipop stick, so my gloved fingers then aren't trailing in the paint. That's quite a nice thick consistency of paint there, slightly thicker than I usually go with, but it is my base. Going to work this to the edges and I'll join you back when I've done this, and the same with the grey. Right, I'm going to give these a quick tickle with the blowtorch. Just to pop any air bubbles. I've done the edges really roughly. The backs of these are taped off, so I'm not making too much mess. Just to see if this is nice and even. Yeah. See if I can take this grey dot off. Super. I'm going to put a little trail of black along the middle of each. Very little. Ta-da! Right, so I intend to flip these onto this little thing, painty thing, and place them onto the canvas. At which side? At this side. I'll then scrape it along and lift it as I pull it back the other direction. Is the plan. Yeah, that's fine. It's near enough. Right. Tum-ty-tum. So I'll drag it across and pull it back. What I didn't do, which I did intend to do, is put a little bit of cream just around this, so it's got paint to pull through. So we'll do that on them too. Okay, so dragging it across, just slightly lifted. The camera shut off for the third one. I just did the same thing where I drag it across and then pull it back and lift it. Right, so I'm going to be coming in with a ribbon pour across all three of these with some more red in it. I'll be tilting them a little bit to expand my pattern out. I want just a little bit more colour than that. This one's a bit horrible. Really actually do like them. They aren't as bad. I freaked when that bit went on. It really did make me panic. But we've now got pink. I think I could do with just one direct sort of a pour coming from this side, kind of across them all. That's okay. Ah. Right, I just need to touch up some grey, touch up some areas, give it a wiggle, and I'm good. Could go once more, couldn't I? Right, where would it go there without looking messy? Yeah, that was cool. Yeah. Right. I'm going to have the heat gun a little bit. Little tilts. Oh, I'm making a mess. Let me get a stick and do this properly. Here we go. Okay, I have an alter ego. I stepped out of the room and came back and she'd thrown cups of paint everywhere. I had a plan for simplistic. You all heard me, so that clearly wasn't me. No, I lost a little bit of footage as I went crazy. I started out where I accidentally dropped a black cup of paint on this left-hand piece and proceeded from there to throw paint all over the place in hope of achieving something that's quite pretty. And to be fair, you can't tell now that it's getting dark, but it is actually quite nice. In a very crazy kind of a way. Okay, thank you all for watching. Hopefully, next time I play with red, it's going to be an amazing, simplistic, modern, beautiful piece. I'm quite happy with this one. It's just not quite ticked the box for me yet. Take care until next time. Bye.